What if two online income models look similar but function very differently? Let's dive into affiliate marketing and influencer marketing. Both can help you earn money online. They promote products, use content, and thrive on social media, blogs, and video platforms. But which one actually makes more money? This video breaks down affiliate marketing versus influencer marketing. We'll explore how each model works, where income originates, and which one provides greater earning potential. First, let's simplify. Affiliate marketing means promoting a product using a special link. You earn a commission when someone purchases through that link. Influencer marketing involves brands paying you to promote their products due to your audience and influence. That's the core difference. Affiliate marketing pays for performance, while influencer marketing usually pays for exposure. This distinction is crucial. Understanding this helps clarify differing income outcomes. Now, let's discuss affiliate marketing. It's appealing because you don't create products, handle customer support, or manage shipping. You connect the right audience to the right product and earn when they buy. But the true strength of affiliate marketing lies in compounding. A blog post can rank, a YouTube video can attract views, and email content can convert. Once published, your content continues to generate income. That's powerful. Next, we focus on influencer marketing. It's attractive because brands can pay you quickly. You may not need complicated strategies or long-form content. If you have an engaged audience, companies can pay you directly to feature their products. Here's the key comparison. Which model earns more? The answer is it depends. In early stages, influencer marketing can often generate money faster. Build an audience, and brands may pay you up front. This creates immediate cash flow, especially on platforms with rapid audience growth. However, influencer income relies on constant visibility. You need to stay relevant and active to maintain brand deals. This makes it a more active model. On the other hand, affiliate marketing is generally slower to start. Many beginners quit too early. Affiliate marketing requires patience to build trust and effective traffic strategies. But once established, it becomes scalable. You're building systems that create commissions, not just relying on your personality. Consider control. Affiliate marketers often have more control over their business. They choose products, niches, traffic, and marketing funnels. Influencers are more reliant on audience perception, where their presence and relationships with brands play significant roles. When discussing potential profit, affiliate marketing can yield substantial returns. Commissions stack as you create content across multiple platforms. One article or video can sell, and if the product is high-ticket or recurring, earnings can accelerate. Influencer marketing can also be lucrative. Strong personal brands can command high fees for sponsored posts or partnerships. The growth of influencer income stems from increasing brand value and charging more for audience access. Now let's address which model is easier for beginners. Influencer marketing can appear straightforward: post content, grow an audience, and secure deals. However, audience growth is challenging and requires engagement and credibility. Affiliate marketing also presents challenges for beginners, requiring strategic thinking and trust building. Both models are complex but demand different skills and approaches. The smartest creators don't blindly choose one model. They understand the synergy between both. Influencers can incorporate affiliate marketing for performance-based income alongside brand deals, while affiliate marketers can adopt influencer strategies to enhance trust and reach. If we isolate the question of which earns more, influencer marketing can yield faster income if you have audience attention, while affiliate marketing can produce larger profits over time with the right systems in place. Influencer marketing tends to be event-based income. Campaigns lead to payments. In contrast, affiliate marketing is asset-based. Content continuously generates income as long as it attracts traffic. Both models involve risks. Influencer marketing depends heavily on algorithms, audience engagement, and shifting trends, while affiliate marketing faces challenges like commission changes and fluctuating traffic. However, affiliate marketers can diversify to mitigate risks more effectively. Now, let's explore personality fit. If you enjoy being on camera and building relationships, influencer marketing may suit you. If you prefer working behind the scenes with systems and content, affiliate marketing might be better. For practical advice, if you seek quick monetization, consider influencer marketing. If you aim for long-term assets that consistently yield commissions, lean toward affiliate marketing. The strongest strategy combines both approaches. Some people desire influencer income without the associated pressures. Similarly, many want affiliate earnings without the required discipline. Both approaches can underperform if done lazily. To conclude, affiliate marketing and influencer marketing serve different purposes. Affiliate marketing is performance-driven and scalable. Influencer marketing is attention-based and often monetizes quickly with a strong audience. So, which model earns more online? Influencer marketing can win early, while affiliate marketing can provide greater long-term profits. The most successful creators blend both to optimize their income streams. Instead of asking, which is better, ask, which aligns with my strengths and goals? This question leads to your financial success.